Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your device is ready. Sign into the Google account you want to use and update Google Play services. Once done, update Shadow Fight 2 to the latest build and enable storage and account permissions so the game can read and write data. Open the game, go straight to Settings, and tap the Google Play or Connect button. That first tap initiates the link. This step exists so cloud saves and achievements will map to your chosen account. After tapping Connect, a Google account chooser appears. Pick the exact account you used earlier. You should see consent dialogues for play games, cloud save, and basic profile access. Accept them so data can sync. Make sure to watch for multiple dialogues and press Allow each time. If an account isn't listed, add it in device settings and repeat. This middle phase is critical because it authorizes the game to store progress on Google servers, preventing future. Once connected, verify the settings show a play game's icon or connected label. Then look for options to restore purchases or cloud progress and trigger them. If achievements or items don't appear, sign out of the game and sign back in, or restart the device to force a fresh auth. Troubleshooting tip: if linking fails, clear the game's cache and data, reopen, and attempt the Google connection again. This resets the local state while leaving cloud saves intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.